Well, hello everyone. This is just going to be a quick little video on EasyEDA. I've been using some other applications for drawing up schematics and laying out circuit boards, and they just didn't seem to be easy enough to use. So I've moved to EasyEDA. There's quite a bit of information on the web about EasyEDA. There's a good tutorial. I'm still learning. However, it's doing everything I need. I can lay out a schematic diagram, convert that to a PCB, lay out everything, and it's got auto routers and everything like that built into it. But one of the really good things is after you actually have a circuit board designed, you can basically just order it from China. And I've ordered a couple of boards so far that I've laid out. One of them's actually turned up, and you'll see that in an upcoming video pretty soon. And the quality is great. They're manufactured in China, and for $2 for 5 boards or something like that, and $18 shipping, has it to you in that 5 to 6 days period. So, look. Great service, and actually yet to actually complete one of the boards that I've ordered. However, just looking at it, the quality looks fantastic. So this is projects that I've got going in EasyEDA, and it's all web-based. So I think they recommend using Chrome as the browser. So that's exactly what I've done. Let's not fight with the thing. What I might do is just open the new version 2 self-balancing robot project and just give you a quick little display of what it looks like. So just opening at the project. Oh, it's got full version control as well, which is fantastic. And I've got all my projects set at private at the moment. However, you can open them up for public. So once everything looks right and the boards are okay and everything like that, I will actually open them up to the public. But if we just scroll down through this project that I've started, first of all we come to the schematic. Now you can lay out multiple schematics, and when you convert to a circuit board, they will be compressed onto one board layout. So really quite nice if you want to break your schematic across different sheets and things like that. I won't go into the actual circuit or the schematics or anything here. I'll be doing separate videos on these as we come along, but I can open directly in the editor there, just scrolling down to the circuit board that I've laid out. Again, we can open in the editor, and even to the point of a bill of materials for the actual project. So super nice stuff, and will be sharing these projects as public projects as time goes on, because it's just a great platform. But let's just open maybe the schematic in the actual editor. So basically this is the editor. Across the side here we have the project tab, so we can see all those projects and schematics, the actual PCBs that have been generated from it, a reasonable library of components here. However, it's also got this parts module where you can search on a particular component, and it will also search on user contributions. So as people generate components and save them away, it builds up the whole library. Now the great thing about these components is that if I search on, hopefully that's something that will exist. I've actually found 2 components in the library that exist for this component. And the good thing is it comes up with the schematic, but also the actual layout for the component on the circuit board. And here it looks like there's the option to purchase through one of their partner companies as well, which I'm not actually using that at the moment, but that's something to be investigated further down the track as well. And quite often I've found when I've done a search, there may not be something in the library. However, under user contributions, there'll be a component that someone has actually created. So super handy. Okay, so that's a little bit about parts. with regard the actual schematic or the layout, it's quite nice to use. I'm probably not using it to the full extent at this point in time. However, it really is quite nice to use. Just select a component, drop it on there, and then there's wiring tools down here to connect things up. There isn't any on here, but we can provide links between sheets and things like that. And great that the actual, if you create references to networks and things like that, that's all handled by the actual software when it comes to converting to a circuit board and everything like that. So really quite nice to use. If I just go back to the project tab and take a look at the circuit board that was generated from that, even though it's a web interface, it really does have a very nice sort of feel about using the software. So this is the circuit board layout that I've generated, and we can turn on and off different layers to view the different components. A very nice piece of software to use. And as I say, that one of the really good things is once you have your design complete, we can generate the Gerber files if you want to manufacture your own or directly order. And there's quite a number of different options here as well when you do actually order off the web. As you can see, $2 price here. Now, shipping is on top of that. So that's five boards at $2. I haven't looked at anything greater than that at this point in time. However, really nice integrated solution as far as once you've got off that breadboard stage and you've got something that you want to take to that next level, super easy to generate and super fast. As I said, not much more than a week. And to be absolutely honest, I was thinking about doing some boards myself, manufacturing them myself, but look, with all the mess of the etching and everything like that, to be absolutely honest, this is just so much easier. I'm not even going to bother trying. So that's just a quick little rundown. As I say, great tutorial that you can download and take a look at or look at online. And I've found it really quite nice to use. Now I'm starting to get the grips of it after a few different projects. So look, I'll sign off now, but please take a look at the other videos that I'll be generating, looking at the actual projects that I've started in EasyEDA. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Obviously, any comments are highly valued. Okay, thanks very much.